Hello, my name is T. Burton. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm here to talk to you about my Logic X program that I use. I'm going to show you the basic functions of how to trim, separate, crossfade, merge, use your grid, do cycles, markers, zooming, and name and color. First, I'm going to go over the renaming because it's a drum. It's not the classic piano, so I'm going to double click that, delete it, change it to Ultra Beat Drum. To color coordinate it, I can click here at the very end of the track where it says the soundtrack color. I'll do red. So when I record, my drum beat is going to come up red. And that's a little drum beat that I did. I'm going to play that back. As you can see, it's a bit off. So what we'll do is open up the piano roll. I close out my MIDI keyboard and open the piano roll. And on the piano roll is where I like to zoom and where I like to make things bigger. The zoom fact is right here, and the grid to snap it on the bar to beat. You can do divisions, ticks, or frames is here. I have it on smart. Double click this for it to show up in my piano roll. I'm going to highlight all of it, and I'm going to quantize it to 1/16 because I'm playing in 4/4. So let's see how this sounds. Drop it down out of my piano roll, and if you do want to zoom in on your actual track, you just toggle it in the very right corner in Logic X. That blows it up, and this makes it longer horizontally. This is a track, I'm going to zoom it in, that I've already did. I just tracked it out as an MP3 into my DAW system as an audio sample. You can separate it here, and this is the separation tool. I'll show you guys how I did it. Wherever it is I want to chop it, I hit Command T, and that'll separate it. If you need to drag it down to another track, you click the button, click your trackpad on your Mac, and you just drag it down. And the way that you merge this track, you right click whatever it is you want to merge and hit merge, which basically means destructive part of the editing process I will create. There are no more separations. You can see the differences between the original track here and the audio sample here. Big separation here. I would go up top in my DAW system where it says the pointer, go all the way down and click the fade tool. If I did want a tighter type of crossfade, I will pull it in a little bit more. If you can't see it while you're doing this, you can just zoom in. I'll zoom in. Still a slight space, but you'll still be able to hear that crossfade. So I'm going to zoom all the way in. Play it from here. You can see it's still a space that's created, but you did not hear such a big separation throughout the whole track. In order to enable markers, you would go to Navigate, go all the way down and say Create Markers, and boom, you have your first marker. Now what it did was length it out to the whole entire song. But what I would do, and you can kind of label the marker if you want to rename it to intro. You could say intro, done. Now I got a marker 2 and name this marker verse. That's the intro, and it just kind of shows me where each track is being played. I hope you enjoyed another presentation from me showing you how to edit inside of my Logic X DAW system. I've taken away from this how to truly utilize each tool that's available inside of my Logic X program. Thank you.